how to add your card to Apple Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you might be in a situation where you want to add your card to Apple Wallet. Now it completely depends on what you want to do here. Basically, if you want to go ahead and add a certain credit card or whatever, you can do that within your wallet application. So if you go and find your wallet application within your iPhone, you can do that just literally by searching up wallet just like this. You should be able to go ahead and find your wallet app, and you can go open up your wallet application just like this. Now, when you do this, all you're going to want to do is click on it. If you don't have it set up, then that's one thing, you'll have to set it up properly. But if you want to add a wallet or credit card, whatever you want to do, go and click on the plus button. So after clicking on the plus button, it will go ahead and allow us to go ahead and see which things we can actually go ahead and add. So you can see we can either apply for an Apple card, we can add an Apple account, or we can add a debit or credit card, transit card, or a driver's license or state ID. Now keep in mind, you cannot go ahead and just add any type of card into your app or into your iPhone. It will have to be a certain card. There may be other applications that you will be able to use for your application specific card. But in this case, let's say we have a debit or credit card, we can tap on debit or credit card. And what's going to happen is it's going to allow us to pretty much take a photo of the credit card. All around, there are lots of different credit cards that are supported. So now what we can do is click start and go ahead and take a picture of the credit card, or we can enter the card details manually. And from there, the code and card will then be added. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. So that's basically how you can add your card to Apple Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.